The U.S. Navy has selected Boeing to develop a fleet of massive drone submarines under a $43 million new contract. Over the next few years, the firm will design and test 4 Orca extra-large unmanned undersea vehicles, XLUUVs, based on its autonomous Echo Voyager, which can operate at sea for months at a time. The robotic submarines will be modular, meaning they can easily adapt it in the future to implement cost-effective upgrades and support a variety of missions. Boeing is expected to complete the vehicles by June 2022. The Navy revealed its decision in a contract announcement last month, a little over a year after granting design phase awards to Lockheed Martin and Boeing. Boeing will now move forward with the fabrication, test, and delivery of 4 Orca XLUUVs based on the Navy's stipulations. And an adaptable design is crucial, according to the contract. The Orca XLUUV will be modular in construction, with the core vehicle providing guidance and control, navigation, autonomy, situational awareness, core communications, power distribution, energy and power, propulsion and maneuvering, and mission sensors, the Navy said. The Orca XLUUV will have well-defined interfaces, for the potential of implementing cost-effective upgrades in future increments, to leverage advances in technology and respond to threat changes. The Orca XLUUV will have a modular payload bay, with defined interfaces to support current and future payloads for employment from the vehicle. Boeing's system will be based on the design of its existing Echo Voyager unmanned undersea vehicle, according to USNI News. The Echo Voyager is a 51-foot-long drone submarine that can achieve a range of roughly 6,500 nautical miles, or the equivalent of one fuel module. It's built to incorporate a modular payload section, according to Boeing, which will allow it to take on a variety of missions. This modular payload is up to 34 feet long and 2,000 cubic feet in volume. According to Boeing, it can perform at sea for months at a time, and does not require launch or recovery by a support vehicle. It runs on a hybrid system that combines battery and marine diesel generators. Boeing hailed it as a game-changing platform, capable of performing as a multi-mission system and playing a pivotal role in future force structure. The upcoming Orca XLUUV will feature an open architecture design that builds upon these features. Under the Navy's $43 million contract, Boeing is expected to develop and test the system by June 2022.